this is not a product that you use all over your body. These are for specific spots, for treatment purposes. So please, did you hear me? Treatment purposes. Like I said, I'm always here, your screen sister, trying to help you bridge the gap between unsafe skin practices and safe skin practices. So what I'm telling you now is the safe option. If you go putting this all over your skin, that's on you, okay? Hi there and welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name is Deacon, aka D Coco. You all know the queen of glowy bright skin is back, and in today's video I'm going to be recommending top brightening and lightening lotions. I'm also going to be sharing some important tips towards the end of the video, so do well to stick with me, because it's not just about the lotion. Sometimes it's about the technique or what you add to the lotion. But whatever the case, make sure that you stick with me to the end. But please, before we get on ahead with the video, make sure that you subscribe and that you click on the notification bell to be notified whenever I post a video. Thumbs up this video to let YouTube know that you like my content. I mean, I'm doing great things here, plugging you with the best, so why don't you just show me that support by clicking on the like button. And yeah, without further ado, let's get right into the recommendations. Also, before the end of the video, I'm going to be answering a very important question that one of you had asked me about in a previous video, so stay tuned for that. I think that's going to help a lot of people actually. Yeah, first let's get into the brightening lotions, and then we're going to get into the lightening ones. Top of my list for brightening lotion is the Topique Melite lotion, I think it's called. You've probably heard that one from me before. Now, as much as that one is called the Melite lightening lotion, some people actually think it's a lightening lotion, but it is not. It is actually a brightening lotion, and take it from someone that has used it before, used more than a bottle or two. It is not a lightening lotion at all, so do not be fooled by the name. This lotion is a great brightening lotion for the skin. Can work for all skin types, but you might want to be careful. If you have dry skin, you might want to watch out, because it is a little bit drying on the skin, or it dries down a little matte on the skin, so might not be favorable for drier skin types. But if you're normal to oily skin on the body, then this lotion would work well for you. Now, a good way to use that one for a more brightening effect on the skin is to top it up with a brightening oil or a glow oil, some natural oil of some sort. It really does help to just take it up a notch, considering the fact that it dries down a bit matte on the skin. Moving on to the next one, and I'm sure you probably saw this coming or maybe not, and that is the Medix 5.5 vitamin C and turmeric lotion. Now, that one has been an OG for a little while now. It's been around for a little while. That lotion is great for brightening the skin. Now, not too much of an effect when it comes to skin brightening, but it does the job in just, plumping up your skin, making it look more rejuvenated, and just hydrating your skin. It is actually a highly hydrating lotion, which gives the effect of brightening on the skin. Now, the thing with skin brightening is that you can almost see the effect immediately, because you see the effect on how your skin plumps up immediately, how the glow just comes through. So the Medix 5.5 turmeric lotion is a great option for that. I'm still speaking on Medix 5.5. The next lotion in their range that I'll recommend for skin brightening is their retinol and ferulic acid cream. Now, we all know that retinol is a great brightening ingredient, helps in skin cell turnover, and ferulic acid is a great antioxidant that helps in keeping free radicals away from the skin. So absolutely a great option if you want to brighten your skin. I mean, the Medix 5.5 retinol and ferulic acid in this case. Now, don't forget that the other one, the Medix 5.5 vitamin C and turmeric, those are also brightening ingredients for the skin. So you see that this is a tie of brightening ingredients in one lotion to just help you get the best out of the brightening effects that you get on your skin. The tip that I wanted to share that would help in taking your experience a notch up is using the turmeric one. That's the Medix 5.5 turmeric vitamin C lotion. Oh, that's a mouthful. In the morning or during the day, and using the retinol and ferulic acid one at night. I have discussed before on this channel about using two lotions to brighten your skin, so this is a great way to include those both lotions in your routine to help you get as much brightening effect as possible. Now, let me also spell out that brightening your skin is not same as lightening your skin. There are two different things, two different ideas, two different sets of products used for this, so do not be scared. Skin brightening is mostly just plumping up, not just plumping up, up. It's mostly just glowing up your natural skin tone. So these are products or ingredients that do not change your skin tone, but they just make it brighten up and look better and just glowy. Not worry when you hear skin brightening, because I know some people come to the comment section to ask me. So my list for a brightening lotion is the Garnier Bright UV lotion. I'm going to put it on the screen. I've used that lotion before, but for some reasons I'm never just able to pronounce the name. But that lotion is absolutely great. It's almost like a milk lotion, so it has a runny consistency, has a very hydrating consistency, so it gives that plump, it gives that glow, it gives that hydration. You know, once you add good hydration on your skin is almost looking bright immediately. But now a good way to use this one is to pair it with a gel oil or some natural oil of some sort. It also helps in boosting the glow that you get on your skin, because it is a lightweight lotion, but it does the job in brightening the skin. Now this brings me to the next lotion, which is almost in the same category as the Garnier one, and that's the Vaseline Gluta-Hya lotion, serum lotion I think it's called. Now I've gone through so many tubes of that lotion, and I am in the right position to tell you that it is great for skin brightening. Now this one is a serum lotion, so that would mean it comes in a light consistency. The viscosity of the product is not thick at all. It contains hyaluronic acid and glutathione, which are great skin mimicking ingredients that would help in plumping and keeping your skin healthy and hydrated. And like I said, the formula is made in form of a serum for the body, so it does the job in, you know, just brightening and also plumping and revitalizing your skin. If you have dry skin or if you have dull looking skin, once you use this product, your skin is looking almost instantly plumped up and hydrated and glowy. You might want to pair this brightening lotion with a gel oil of some sort, maybe some sort of butter that you personally love or something that works for you. Okay, so now we are done with brightening lotions. Let's move on to lightening lotions. And like I said, they are not the same thing. They are two different phenomenon in skincare. Now brightening the skin, I had explained what it is, but lightening the skin in this case, or skin lightening lotions, would usually contain lightening ingredients or ingredients that are capable of lightening your skin. So make no mistakes about this. Once you're using a lightening product, there is a possibility of the product actually changing your skin tone. Lightening recommendations that I have here are just about 3 products, and these are the ones that I would say I have some trust for to work well in doing the job in brightening, or lightening your skin without leaving any bad effect or harming your skin in any way. Now on top of my list for this category would be the Fair and White Gold Ultimate lotion, and this one is the number 2. Now this range has a couple products and different numbers written on them. The one that I'm speaking on is the number 2, so when you're looking out, look out for this one. So this is a great lightening lotion. It contains lightening products or lightening ingredients that will lighten your skin, but it is not harsh. It is very mild. It is not something that would completely change you, or you know, like some people ask me, how can I get my skin 4 to 5 shades lighter? This would not do that for you, but it does contain ingredients that will lighten your skin. Now a great way to get this to work even better is using it alongside the oil in this line. The number 2 I think is the Argan brightening oil. It's called. Yeah, this is a great lightening product that does the job in gradually and safely lightening your skin without leaving all of those impurities on your skin like dark patches. And you can use this to target like dark areas on your skin, even if you don't want to use it all over your body. Now the next recommendation that I have for lightening lotion is still in the Fair and White range, and that one is the one in the pink bottle. Yeah, that one a little drying on the skin. You might need to support it with like an oil or another product that is more, you know, moisturizing for the skin, because the moisture on that one doesn't last, but it does the job in actually keeping your skin light and bright, right? It does lighten the skin gradually. Now a good way to use that one is to pair it with the soap and the serum that comes with it as well. So I'm going to put a picture on the screen so you see the ones that I'm talking about: the soap, the lotion, and the serum that goes inside the bottle. Now for the serum in that range, which that serum is meant to go inside the bottle of the lotion. So you mix them up together just to add more efficacy, that is lightening efficacy to the product, and then use it alongside the soap. But apart from the serum that you're adding inside, which is not going to give you the hydration or lock in the moisture that you're looking for on your skin, you might want to, like I said earlier, add another product to lock in the moisture, another product that is high on hydration or moisture, or just use a good oil gel that will lock in the moisture on your skin, because that helps as well. Now for my last and final recommendation for a lightening lotion in this video is the Eben toning milk. I'm going to put a picture on the screen. Now that one, just like the Fair and White products, is also formulated in France. These are like European products, but they are lightening products formulated in Europe. Now this gives it credibility because they are formulated in dermatological labs under high regulations, which helps in the credibility of the product. So yeah, the Eben toning milk as well is a great option. Also lightweight. Usually when you hear milk, just know that they are lightweight products that might need a little bit of support from another product to just lock in the moisture and hydration on your skin. But this is a great option for lightening the skin. If you have like dark patches on your skin, this would really help. Also evens out the skin tone. From my experience with that one is great in evening out your skin tone from head to toe. There was a question I was gonna answer, and the question here is from Victoria, and she said, please can you recommend a good body lotion for me? I'm light skin and my arms are darker than my legs. Okay, so if that is the case, that would mean that some part of your body is lighter than other parts of your body. So this would mean a combination of two different types of products that I have mentioned in this video today, which will be brightening and lightening products. There is no way that you're going to be able to work on discoloration without lightening the discoloration. I know some people always have a problem with the word lightening. They always shy away or run away from it. It's supposed to be like a bad concept in skincare, but it is not. We people of color deal with hyperpigmentation, whether we like it or yes. This is something we are definitely going to deal with. So in that case, you would need some lightening products of some sort, and there's nothing you can do about it. So in the case where you have some parts of your body that needs, lightening, and some parts of your body can continue with like brightening products, then you might want to implore the both. Use the brightening products on the areas of your body that are good, normal, the tone that you want, and the part that are discolored, you can then go on ahead to treat them with the lightening products. Now if you're using like a product like this, the Fair and White one, all through your body, and it is not doing the job, like I said, this is not a bleaching product, it is a gradually lightening product, right? So in this case, you might want to add something to this, or while using this, on like more discolored areas of your body, to just get like better results. So in that case, you want to use a lightening product and also some lightening treatment of some sort. And yes, it is a name that you don't like to hear because you've associated it with skin bleaching, but it is hydroquinone. And this one is a treatment that contains hydroquinone, and I think about 4% of that, and 0.05% of tretinoin. You might need a treatment like this for deeply discolored areas, like areas that are really dark and you need to lighten. But this is not a product that you use all over your body. These are for specific spots, for treatment purposes. So please, did you hear me? Treatment purposes, okay? Because I know some of you are going to go rub this all over your body to get light. Please don't do that, okay? Like I said, I'm always here, your screen sister, always trying to help you bridge the gap between unsafe skin practices and safe skin practices. So what I'm telling you now is the safe option. If you go putting this all over your skin, that's on you, okay? So a treatment like this will greatly help. Pairing it with a lightening product like this on deeply or highly discolored areas would really help in lightening up those areas, while you follow up with just the lightening product on other parts of your body, or a brightening product on other parts of your body. Do you get what I mean? So yeah, I think I've answered that question, but if I haven't, you can still let me know to elucidate on it, and I will definitely do that. So as much as seeing results with the skin brightening lotions, if you start using any of these lotion in like 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 4 weeks, you should start recording progress in your regimen. And when it comes to the lightening products, at about the same time, 2-3 weeks, you should start recording progress in your regimen as well. With everything that I've said in this video today, do not forget that healthy skin is not about perfection. perfection, it is about balance. So everything that I mentioned here, please take it with a grain of salt. You know, do what works for you. Study your own regimen to see how your results are coming out. Study your progress. Take pictures to keep track of your progress. Also, if you found this video helpful, please make sure that you subscribe to the channel. Thumbs up this video to let YouTube know that you like my content. It goes a long way in helping me grow. What else? Put on your notification bell so you're notified every single time that I post a video, because I am back. Probably gonna get tired of me, but yeah, that's why I'm here. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video today, and as usual, I wish you a beautiful, perfect and luscious skin, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Mwah.